Hello guys, welcome back. So the aim for this video is to add obstacles like this, and when you crash in any of them, the message is displayed and the game is restarted. Okay, so let's start our coding work. First of all, you need to define some variables, like what should be the obstacle speed. I guess 9 pixel is good. Then what should be the obstacle? I'll explain this in a few minutes. Actually it's used in one of the function, which I'll be just defining in a few times. Okay, so obstacle start x. This says that what should be the starting of the obstacle from here to here. What should be the starting? Okay, let me minimize it. I'll be needing this window to explain you the stuffs. So start x is equal to random dot rand range. This will choose a random number between 200 and display width minus 200. Okay, display width minus 200. So what the obstacle start x is, it will take a number or the x coordinate that will be random between 200 to the whole width of the display minus 200. So this area, the road area. Okay, the car will not be coming from the background, obviously. Okay, now next thing is obstacle start y. Okay, start y should be 0. No, sorry, it should be minus 750. Actually, it should not be 0, because this is 0 for y-axis. Okay, for x-axis this is 0, y-axis is increasing in this manner, not in this manner, but the x-axis is increasing in this manner, but the y-axis is increasing in this manner. So this should be minus 750, or the width of the window. Okay, because 50 is the width out here, the name. Okay, so minus 750. Okay, so what should be the obstacle width? Okay, so one more thing before this, you need to have the obstacles. Like I have these cars with this same width and height, 56 into 125. Okay, I'll be making a new video for all these tricks, like how you can just resize the images and many more tricks, so wait for them. Okay, where was, yeah, there it is. Okay, obstacle width for me it is 56, and the obstacle, let's say ops, the short form, obstacle height is equal to, I guess it was 125, right? It was 125. It was 125, right? So here we have. Now we have defined these variable. Now what we have to do is we have to define a function after this background one. We have to write obstacle start y equal to obstacle speed, where is the speed, yeah, obstacle speed by 4. Let's enclose this in a bracket. Okay, so next we'll need an function called obstacle, and the parameter are obstacle start x, comma obstacle obs start y, comma obs, which is 0. Okay, so here we are giving 3 parameters for this obstacle function. Okay, now obs start y equal to, plus equal to obstacle speed, which means that the x-axis will increase according to the speed, that is the car is coming with 9 pixel speed, so the speed of the y-axis for the obstacle should also increase by 9 pixels. Okay, now we need to define the function obstacle, right, obstacle. Go up and define obstacle. Def obstacle with parameters obs start x should be first, comma obs start y, comma obstacle. Okay, one more thing, we have used random.range. So first let me import random. Okay, now in this function we'll select which car among these will be the obstacle coming. Like you can see, the obstacles are changing, they are not the same car. Okay, it's changing, so we need a random function. Okay, the cars which are coming should be random. Okay, so we need a random function here. If obs equal to 0, then we'll have OBS pick, that is obstacle pick, is equal to pygame dot image dot load. Now let me see what is the first name of my image. It's car 1, car 2, car 3 is missing. Okay, car 4, car 5, car 6, car 7. Okay, so it is car.jpj if obstacle. So you must be wondering that obstacle or OBS is 0 here, then why are we just using if OBS is equal to 0 and OBS is equal to 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We'll be using random rantage for this also, just wait a bit. Okay, obstacle pick equal to pygame dot image dot load, and it should be car1.jpj. Sorry, it should be elif, not if. Elif. Let's copy paste this. Why should we write again and again? Just copy and paste. How many cars are we having? We're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let's define it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 6 and a 7. Okay. So let's change when equal to 2. When this is 3, when this is 4, when this is 5, and when this is 6. Remember, we started from 0, so it will end up at 6. Okay, this is car 1, this is car 2, this is car 4 because car 3 is missing, car 5, car 6 and car 7. Okay, so we have defined the obstacle function also here. Now the thing left is we have to call random rantage for this OBS one for selecting the random cars, and we need to add the restrictions like we are bumping into the cars or crashing to the cars, so we need that. Okay, some more bunch of if and else statements. They are quite big, so I'm just copy pasting them. I have already written the codes, so I'm just copy pasting them. The code, so let me just copy paste it. Copy and paste. Sorry for this copy and paste actually, but it's quite big. If and else, I'll explain it, don't worry, I'll explain it. Should be a line here. So here, crash should be here. Now you see, so here you can see that if things start y is greater than the height of the display, then we'll start this. Okay, then the obstacle will start coming. Start y is equal to 0 minus the thing height, or the car will be moving this way. Okay, this way. And we have, sorry, I have things here because in my previous code I have written things. So this is obstacle start y. This is why I was wondering what is thing. Obstacle. This is obstacle height, right? Obstacle height. Okay. This is random range for obstacle, and it should be 0 to, we have 7. Okay, again we have the OBS. I'm not using my find and replace because it's not working. I don't know why it's not working, so I have to do it manually. So obstacle again. Obstacle. This is obstacle. Car width is the same. Obstacle width. Have we defined the obstacle width? Yeah. Obvious width. Fine. Okay, the car width. Obstacle. Again, obstacle. Okay. So here we have. Oh yeah. This is for if the car is coming and the car which we are moving is present any contact with the obstacle coming. Okay, making any contact with the obstacle, like here it's making contact here. It's making contact here, so this part is for the contact one. Like if x is greater than obstacle start x, and look, we are using and or here. Okay, for this crashing one, look, the crash function here. Okay, random range for the obstacle choosing, like from 0 to 7 we'll have the obstacle pick. Okay, I missed actually one thing. I haven't blitted the image into the display. We have chosen the obstacle pick, but we haven't blitted it to the window. Okay, so let's blit it or implement it to the window. Displays dot blit, and we have to blit the obstacle pick. and it should be blitted or placed at OBS startx comma OBS start y. Okay, so I don't think I have missed anything. Random is important. Okay, whereas the variables are here. Okay, so one more thing, this should not be pumped is equal to true. Okay, this should be like if we press the quit button, the window should be closed automatically, not bumped is equal to true, then it should just quit. It should be as simple as if you are saying quit, then quit. Okay, so let's save and let me see. I don't think so that there is any error. Okay, so let's try. There is him. Yeah. Okay, so let's save. Now let's try. Go to the folder. Open PowerShell here. Python. It's 1.5. Now I remember. So the car is fixed. The car is not moving. Okay. Now actually this is quite a difficult part actually. If the error is displayed on the command window, then it's easy, but if the thing is not working, then you have to find out that what's the error is. So let me see why it's not moving. Negative sign is missing. It's not just equal to obstacle start y equal to obstacle start y minus obstacle speed by 4. Okay, so let's save it. Let's close this one. So PowerShell again. Now let's run and see if the car is coming. Yeah, it's coming. Let's bump it. Cool. Now the obstacles are coming and we are crashing to it also. Okay, so I crashed. Message displayed and the game is restarted. So now the game is coming in the final touch. Actually many things are left, not the final touch, but you can say that it's looking like a game. Okay, so let's code to make it more beautiful or make it more functional. Okay, so meet you in the next lecture.